Spending too much time typing descriptions and prices every time you create an invoice? If you're not using the products and services list, you're missing out on a huge time saver. Today, we're setting up this essential list in QuickBooks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The products and services list is a centralized menu of everything you sell. Using it ensures consistency in your pricing and descriptions across all invoices and sales forms. The setup: add your first item. Go to Settings, then Products and Services. Click New. You'll choose an item type, most commonly service or inventory. Give it a name, a description, and a price or rate. The power: linking to accounts. The most important part is linking each item to an income account. When you sell this item, QuickBooks will automatically record the revenue in the correct account on your profit and loss statement. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the sub-item feature for detailed tracking. You can create sub-items for different versions of a main product or service. For example, under Consulting Service, you could have sub-items for Strategy Session and Implementation. This lets you track the profitability of each specific offering in your reports. So, just like that, you're set up for efficient and accurate selling. A well-maintained products and services list goes a long way in streamlining your sales process. Now I'm curious, what's your best-selling product or service? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.